Hi guys! So today, we're going to review the Astro Matrix Tarot. So, binili ko rin siya sa US. I don't think na meron din siya dito. Kung meron man, just check na lang sa mga seller like Fully Book, Run It Deck. So, yun. I think you can pre-order also sa kanila. So, yeah, let's start. So, this is Astro Matrix Tarot card. Ito yung gilid niya. Ayan. May apoy-apoy siya. Ayan. Then, ito yung back. Printed in China, but made in USA. Sorry. Sobrang simple lang nung kanyang guide. Ganito lang siya kanipis. Crossbred. So, yung kanyang description, it's upright and reverse, keywords lang, pero meron siyang parang mga like, go confidently in the direction of your dreams, live the life you've imagined. As you simplify your life, the laws of universe will be simpler. So yun, nakalagay Uranus. Upright, reverse, ganun lang. May mga parang saying lang siya. Ayan. 47. So, ganito lang. Creators. Artist, si Gustima de Adi Kurniawan. Tapos, creators. Ayan. May QR code din siya. So, di ko pa nako-QR kasi kabubukas lang natin. Ayan siya. Set aside din natin. Then, ito mismo yung card. Sa loob, meron siyang ganyan. Planet of, ano ba to? Uranus. Naka-sealed siya pagdating. Tanggalin lang natin sa seal. Alright. So, ito yung harap. May sign siya dito. Ito yung gilid. So, mas na-appreciate ko kapag ganito lang yung gilid. Then, ito yung back. May QR code. So, dahil sa QR code, makahalata mo kung reverse siya. Pag nakaganyan, reverse. Pag nakaganito, sa kabila, upright. Sana hindi na nila nilagyan ng parang QR code. Simpleng bilog na lang or design. So, it will not matter naman if you're not reading reverse naman. Okay lang siya. Texture niya, photo paper, na medyo may pagka-satin yung likod niya, and yung harap, photo paper din. Pero hindi siya yung tipong photo paper na nagdidikit-dikit. So, let's start kung ano ang itsura. The Fool. Nice in texture niya, honestly. The Magician. The High Priestess. The Empress. Ang cute ng Empress, diba? Pregnant siya. The Emperor. Hierophant. The Lovers. The Chariot. May numbering din siya dito, tsaka zodiac. Leo. Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. Ang ganda niya. Maganda siya. The Hangman is the Hanged. The Death. Temperance. The Devil. Oh my gosh, yung Tower. So nice. The Tower. The Star. Aquarius. The Moon. The Sun. Yung the Sun niya, diba nakahubad yan sa Ryder Smith. Dito, may damit na. Judgment, the Phoenix. The World. Ace of Wands. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four of Wands. Nice. Five of Wands. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Inilalagay ko siya sa gilid ha, kasi kung medyo mabilis, at least nakikita nyo pa rin siya sa gilid. Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. 10 of Wands. Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands. King of Wands. Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. 10. Page. Knight. Queen. King. Ace. Two of Swords. Three of Swords. Kitang-kita mo yung pain niya. Four of Swords. Five of Swords. Ang ganda ng texture niya. Seven of Swords. Eight of Swords. Nine of Swords. Ang ganda ng images. Parang magiging one of my favorite din to. Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. Queen of Swords. King of Swords. Ace of Cups. Two of Cups. Three of Cups. Four of Cups. And then yung Five of Cups. Cute ng Six of Cups. Seven of Cups. Eight of Cups. Nine of Cups. 10 of Cups. Page of Cups. Biglang naging aquatic ha. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. And King of Cups. Let's see. Paano siya i-shuffle? Ang galing. Halo-halo yung meron siyang, diba, naging aquatic, tapos mayroong parang Chinese, no? Then mayroon siyang American. It's so nice. Iba-ibang nationality. I love it. Di ba ibang nationality? Ang galing. So, ang sarap niyang feeling ko magiging favorite ko to. Let's see. Oops, sorry. Shuffle natin. Grabe, ang smooth niya i-shuffle. This way. Ang smooth i-shuffle. Then let's see this other way. Ang sarap niya i-shuffle, guys. Sa texture niya, I love it. Ang ganda ng texture niya. Ang sarap niyang hawakan. And then, look. Ayan. Lumabas agad 9 of Swords. After the pain, there's a happiness. So, yun. Ang ganda niya. Try this. I love it. So, if you have any tarot na gusto nyong ipa-review sa akin, just let me know. Baka available siya o unahin ko siya. But if not, I'll try my best to look for that tarot and then i-review ko siya. So, just comment here. And yeah, see you in my next videos. Thank you. Bye!